Okay, so my name's Jasa. This is me. This is one of my senior pictures that I took, so I put that one in there. And so, a future job that I'm wanting to do is an exercise physiologist. And an exercise physiologist will analyze a patient's medical history to determine the best exercises for them. Originally, I wasn't planning on doing exercise physiology. I was planning on just doing majoring in psychology, and then I didn't know what I wanted to do going on from that. But recently, I've thought about exercise physiology, and I've thought it'd be cool to major in exercise physiology, do something with that, possibly be an exercise physiologist, and then minor in psychology or something like that. So that's what I want to do when I'm after this. The education that's required for this is we at least need a bachelor's degree in exercise physiology, kinesiology, and exercise science. My plan, so since I already have my associate's degree from doing Running Start in high school, my plan so far is to finish my bachelor's science in exercise physiology, and then I plan on minoring in either criminology or health psychology. Like I said earlier, originally I was going to just major in psychology, but recently decided that I'm going to minor in psychology or criminology and major in exercise physiology. So when I ended up taking a few psychology courses from when I did the Running Start program in high school, I really enjoyed it. It was super interesting to me to learn about human behaviors and also about attachment styles. I definitely, when I was doing the Running Start program, we learned about attachment styles, and I just thought that was super awesome. And I really felt like I could connect a lot with psychology topics. And so I definitely loved learning about the topics and how the mind worked. So I'm probably going to minor in psychology, but I know that I wanted to take more classes for it because it's super interesting to me. And then the comparison is I know that taking more psychology classes will help me to prepare for a future job, and I also enjoy learning about psychology. Minoring or majoring in something you like is more enjoyable than majoring or minoring in something you don't like. So, yeah, that is my plan for what I'm going to be doing.